Alright, dude, give me my money.
Fuck that!
I need to go get my hunter skills.
A bad chance, dude. I'm spending all of this.
Are we gonna buy a house? Here.
Actually, what do you think?
Having a chest here would be very useful, but we also wouldn't get nearly as many skills if we just bought the house. Like 500 silver is an investment, but it would give us
I don't think we should do it.
Yeah, I don't think we should do it yet. Because it's not like I don't want to hang out in this area.
Well, what if we go back when we don't have a home?
Well, that's kind of what I was worried about. And it's like, if we have a base here, then we can, like, grind out that palladium by hunting those ash giants. Like, if we have, like, the frost paper that's weak against frost, so we should be able to take them.
I really don't think we're ready here. Like, I'm almost certain we aren't ready here.
What can I do for you?
Rage grants the rage bin, which increases the impact of
What
your
can I do
attacks.
for you?
The snow burns a bit of your maximum health until the next time you sleep. Oh wow. You can lock on enemies at longer distances when using the bow. Sniper shot. Let loose a very strong arrow shot with a long windup.
Predator leap, dude?
Wait, what?
Okay. Predator leap.
Oh, that looks sick, dude. Jumping attack that creates a shockwave upon landing. That sounds so sick. Feral
Wow.
So this is like the Berserker. Dude, Survivor's Resilience. You should definitely fuck with this. Increases your maximum health by 40.
What if we just both did that?
We'd have hella health. I don't know. I actually want a skill, like, legitimately. I don't have one. I think, like, Hunter's Eye and Sniper Shot would be really good for me.
I don't think so, because you're never going to have enough arrows.
I have 21 arrows right now. No, actually I have 24 arrows right now. I think I'll be alright.
You get my point though, right? Like,
What can I do for you?
Like, we'll just have to keep making arrows.
I have to keep buying and making
An
arrows.
arrow while jumping backwards causes...
How do you make arrows?
It's 1 iron ingot and 2 wood. That's it. You get 3 arrows.
It doesn't seem like... I mean, a lot of that's like indefinite resources, but...
I mean, I think the best way to get arrows
we don't get iron all that... We don't get iron all that much.
Yeah, I think the way to do it... Yeah, I think the way to do it is to farm bandits. Because we got like 10 or 15 arrows from those last 2 we killed.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not... there's other trainers. I'm not making up my mind right now at all.
Yeah. The jump move sounds really good, though.
The evasion shot.
Yeah, like
Cause
jump
jumping critical status effect. Yeah.
I'm kind of into the 50 health, so it's kind of got me sold.
Yeah, there's a bunch of other trainers, it looks like. There's the Sage trainer, of course. Well, it looks like there's only 2 trainers here, actually.
I'm gonna buy some of the alchemy stuff, and so I can...
Gotcha. There's an assassin here that we can buy stuff from. That's cool. I can talk to him.
Yeah. Frenzy, there you are. The Chamber Lords are gathering as we speak. I need you to make your way to the Blue Chamber itself. It's the largest building in Berg up near the fountain.
Oh, wow.
I'm just gonna say I still have things we need to do.
Yeah.
So we're not ready for any quests yet, I don't think.
Yeah. So I can get the 200 skills. You can get the one
Keep
for
coming
500.
this way.
I think this is
There's
the
something over here.
assassin.
Right here.
Yeah, the assassin. It'd be cool to like.
Here's the plan.
Beast golem scraps. What the fuck is this?
Oh, whoa. Okay.
What's her deal?
Definitely an assassin type thing, but just sells stuff.
She doesn't teach you anything.
Like, she like sells like poison and assassin stuff.
Like weapons and all.
Just, yeah, assassin stuff.
Okay, I'm gonna look at that. Sounds cool.
Hey there.
Oh, nice. Broad dagger. The Rondel dagger. Oh, wow. Shotgun spells are necessary to use this. 15 arrows. Oh, it's a fucking terrible price. Yeah, buying arrows is just not feasible.
That's kind of what I keep thinking.
Yeah.
And then, you know, what happens when you... I just think that's a good perk to have, but, like, after you get, like, a base melee perk.
Yeah.
Like, if you're sure you want to go with that type of two-handed weapon, then you should get a perk for the two-handed weapon.
Yeah, I'm not... Two-handed weapons would be sick. I haven't seen anything that we can do yet. But there's also going to be lots of other trainers other places, too.
So the guard is saying the smith is next to the entrance on a raised stone platform. The other traders are down Main Street. The hunter trainer is near the main entrance, and the rune sage study is near the blue chamber. So there's the rune sage, which we already know about. He's like in the middle of the like circular blue chamber area. So I don't think there's any other trainer other than
the hunter.
the hunter.
I think we should... Here, let me get back down there.
I think the hunter trainer is the way.
Yeah, I think so too. Let's, I don't know, thinking about this in terms of our money. Because we may be able to get skills and the house. Because I don't think I'm going to do the 500.
Do the predator lead.
I know
It's
that's
calling to me.
Yeah, that sounds insanely cool.
But you need a rage boon as well.
I think the rage boon is what I'm thinking about.
Where is the rage boon? I don't even see it. There's the enrage,
What
but
can
that's
I
not the
do
rage.
for you?
Oh, it grants the
Yeah.
rage boon.
Yeah.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Burns
It's
a
only
bit of your
50. Dude, yeah,
It
that's all.
burns a bit of your maximum health until the next time you sleep.
Fuck it, dude. Why not? It's 50 silver. It's just 50 silver. Just do it.
I think the survivor's resilience sounds like something you should get
Yeah.
for sure.
I mean, serious, I should.
You should get survivor's resilience, yes.
Alright.
And then, so you should get survivor's resilience and enraged. So you have 40 more health, and this burns maximum health. You know what I mean? Like, you should get both of those.
Alright. For sure. We have 900 silver.
Okay.
A little more if we
What
sell some
can
of
I
that,
do for you?
stuff.
What can I do for you?
Attack and attacks. Wow.
Attack twice, consuming your rage boon in the process. Inflicts extreme bleeding and pain.
Yeah.
All that shit's so dope.
I know, it's really badass. Melee weapon rage.
Dude, just get the stamina or that health increase. That's like the best perk I've seen. So
Yeah, but then we won't be able to get the house.
no, we probably still get the house. Okay, all we gotta do is sell a few potions.
What can I do for you?
Alright, we'll get
I don't know. The house part for me, it's like it doesn't seem that important. Because
I think the biggest benefit would be the chest and being able to like come here and grind out resources if we needed to.
sure, but like we can also just sleep, and we have like 3 or 4 other areas in the whole other world that we gotta get through. That,
Yeah.
and I'm telling you, all the guys keep saying like just finish that world first before like clear that world before you move into a different one.
What can I do for you?
How much silver do you need? You should just
It's 500.
straight up.
Yeah, I don't have any silver.
Alright. There
can I do for you?
Let's just get a little tank here, man. That'll help us out a ton.
Definitely. Alright, I got it. Stoked on it.
Alright.
Let's see here.
Yeah. Drop a fire. Like, I'm gonna get a fire going. Yeah, oil. Get some. Oh, we don't have an alchemy. Never mind. I can't do it. I don't. There's not an alchemy. So then, yeah, what we decide to do from here is kind of
Fucking ash giant. Should at least try to fight it.
yeah, we could give it a shot. We'd probably spawn back here if we died.
I think so.
I'm like almost perfectly like if we did it right now then
We have frost rags. That would be super useful.
yeah.
You
We
know.
have 2 ice bricks.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. He's super easy. We have life potions.
Oh yeah, I need a hotkey to that shit.
Yeah, actually same.
I got rage potions. Temporarily increases your weapon's impact. I could get us some good potions for this battle too, but I'd rather us try it. I think we just did the, one person aggro style.
Yeah, and like apparently they lose, like you can lose them very, very quickly. Like they're not aggressive and they don't chase you really.
Sure. Yeah, alright. Let's fucking go. I'm happy to have that much more health. I think that's
Definitely.
it makes me more inclined actually to do the mana, the magic stuff too.
Yeah, I think so too.
If you have a little more health and you get to
Yeah, definitely.
I'll have to look into that, but
Yeah, I wonder what the sacrifice really is.
This game's starting to get good now.
It's pretty
It
badass.
could be before, but
It feels doable now. Like we're not completely helpless. I think we should go back this way. We should find the dude.
wasn't he over here?
Maybe. I think he was.
I don't remember.
We'll just fucking walk around.
It was like by this outpost.
Yeah. I think you're right. Just past it. It's like on top of a hill. I remember that. Not seeing him yet. I feel like he was over here. Kind of stumbled upon him last time, if I remember correctly. Like he was super close before we spotted him.
Oh shit.
What?
You don't see the giant burning tree in the distance.
Not yet.
Just look directly south.
Oh yeah, damn. That's something else.
Let's check it out.
We gotta. Here.
There's a little chest here.
Oh really?
Arrows for you. Spikes.
Nice. Where are you?
I'm
Oh,
up.
alright, I'm following.
I'm back down.
Nice. feel like the dude was right here, like up to the left. Could have swore.
I think there's another chest over here too. Or like a little hut. So, north.
Oh yeah, I see.
Yeah, I'm happy to just explore around here. Maybe there's
Yeah,
some
we
shit.
haven't been around here too much. I feel like it's finally more safe. Oh, yurt, dude.
Yurt?
Dude, I love yurts.
Yurts are so cool.
Yeah, they're pretty badass.
Dude, there were so many yurts. Standing Rock.
I saw a bunch of them in the photos. It's pretty nuts. They seem pretty chill.
So great.
They're just like nice, cool studio apartments.
Brigand coat, dude. You should wear this.
Jerky, cooked alpha meat.
This is that good right here, bro. Come get this armor. Put that on.
Whoa. Holy shit. I look like a super edgy.
You should keep the padded though, cause well, maybe not. Maybe.
Whoa.
Whoa!
That is sick.
That is the coolest armor.
Yeah. Dude, my resistance went up by 9, dude.
Yeah,
That was much better.
That's a fucking look, bro. That's iconic.
Their defense is not super great. My pouch bonus is 3. That's cool. Wow, that's really sick. Impact resistance 7. Ooh, impact resistance for padded armor 13. What the fuck's that resistance then? Whatever, it looks
Just
sick.
wear it.
Looks sick. Looks way sick.
It's so you.
I look like a Mad Max character.
Streamer garb.
Streamer garb.
The attire of all streamers.
Indeed. Oh yeah, I look fucking cool.
It's a great look, bro.
Oh, we should go back to the stream.
We're going this way though, yeah. Fucking getting all distracted on me. I mean, this is a giant distraction, but look what we found.
I mean, if we find an ash giant, it's 2 birds, 1 stone. Ha ha ha. We haven't seen any enemies in a minute. It's like a little bit.
That's pretty spooky.
Way spooky, dude.
Some pretty fucking spooky shit.
Without a doubt. Spooky.
Just on the map. Like, is this... What is this?
Yeah, it is. It's called Huge Burning Tree. There's a bandit camp just past it.
There is a
Yeah, there's a bandit camp just on the map.
Vigil Pylon.
Just south further. South. Bottom of the map.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Bandit camp just right over here. Could go fucking check it out.
They're gonna fuck us up, dude. They're leveled up.
Oh, so smoker.
I'm not so interested in the bandits, personally.
Yeah.
Okay, there's just flaming skeletons, bro.
Oh shit, yeah,
I don't feel okay about that.
yeah, I don't really know if I want to fuck with this too much. I bet they're all flaming skeletons inside this. Yep, they are. They are. Flaming skeletons
Like
are
it.
inside this.
Yeah.
I mean, we can hit one and see what happens.
This looks like a great time. I don't have enough inventory. Like, what's your inventory right now?
47 out of 50. Yeah.
Like, if we even find anything good, we wouldn't be able to pick it up.
Let's keep hunting down the ash giants. Like, I'm interested to see how easily we can kill these guys, but also
Let's try this one.
he could totally fuck us up. Here, let me pull aggro. I'll shoot an arrow at him.
Okay. Ow. I'm on fire now? And that sucked. I'm running.
Oh wow,
Fire.
he's just like huge fucking burst of
I
fire.
might die. How do I get out of fire?
Roll.
20 seconds. No, it's not doing it. I'm just gonna be on fire for 20 seconds. Great.
Okay, well that guy, I didn't expect him to do that.
Yeah.
This game is full of surprises.
I'm gonna guess magic would, oh, I see bandits below here.
How's your health?
I took a potion, so
Okay.
I'm like halfway.
I can shoot these bandits.
Could,
Damn, it's kind of glitchy. Damn. Nailed him. He didn't even do anything. I don't know.
just got an arrow in him.
I don't know if these are bandits. Yeah, they're definitely bandits. What the fuck's going on then? Oh, now he aggroed me. He still doesn't know what's going on. What's the matter, fella? What's the matter, fella? He can't do nothing.
It's a good spot to snipe, for sure.
Yeah, he's fucked.